Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.